ever been stuck on a physics problem? Don't worry. Mastering acceleration problems is easier than you think. Just watch this video. You'll be able to solve numericals for acceleration. Starting from rest, Rohan pressed the accelerator of his car to attain a velocity of 12 meters per second in 30 seconds. So it is given that the car is starting from rest. Then on pressing the accelerator, the velocity increases to 12 meters per second in 30 seconds. Then he applies brake. So the velocity of the car comes down to 8 meters per second, and that happened in 5 seconds. Calculate the acceleration of the car in both the cases. So let's take case 1 where the car starts from rest. So giving us a clue that u should be taken as 0 meter per second. Then it accelerates to 12 meter per. So v is equal to 12 meter per second, and that happened in 30 seconds. So we can easily find the acceleration, which is v minus u by t. 12 minus 0 divided by 30. So 12 by 30 we can simplify, you can cancel by 6, we'll get 2 by 5, and 2 by 5 is 0.4 meter per second square. And then he applies brakes. So when he applies brakes, the velocity will come down, and it is given that the velocity is 8 meter per second. So remember, now the car is moving at velocity of 12 meter per second. So when you take case 2, the initial velocity is 12 meter per second, and after applying the brake, velocity reduces to 8 meter per second, and the time taken is 5 seconds. So here we can find out the acceleration, v minus u by t. So here 8 minus 12 by 5 will give minus 4 by 5 and minus 0.8 meter per second square. So the minus sign shows that it is retardation.